Saturday, March 29th, 09:41 a.m. New York time. Welcome back, investors, to Winning Wall Street's Money. Just finished another week, and Monday will be the last trading day for this month, which will also be the ending of the first quarter of this year. This video is going to go over commodities. Commodities has several categories. One of the categories is energy, the other is metal, the other is agricultural, livestock. And within each of those categories, there's many products, but I'm going to just go over the major ones within those categories. Such as in energy, we'll look at crude oil and natural gas. There are other ones, coal, kerosene, whale oil. So I want to look at the higher time frame because we're so close to the end of the month. Each candlestick represents a month and a long time of history I want to look at. Here we are looking at crude oil for the past 20 years. On the far right is the current candle, small trading range, tight consolidation. And the prices are at prior demand zone. Prior demand zone is where buyers stepped in to buy. You might have seen the past several weeks or months, prices going lower at your gas station. Well, looking here at the chart, I see it's at a key level, demand zone. I have been in bullish positions, accumulating bullish position. Several weeks I've been sharing this. I believe smart money is an accumulation. So again, zoom in here. Look at the past 2 years here and the current year here. Huge consolidation, building a lot of energy. On these lows, buyers have been stepping down. And notice on here, here's the high of 2023, this yellow horizontal line. To the right of that, the high of 2024. And to the right of that, the high of 2025. And of course, up here, 2022. So we've been making lower highs. But again, this sweet demand zone still around the same key levels. There's going to be a divergency. And I am expecting it to be to the upside on the breakout. Natural gas. Look at the high past 20 years on the top left and the low near the bottom center. It's trending right now. Big difference. This is trending. Going to go back here to crude oil. Here's crude oil. Huge consolidation for the past several years. Consolidation. Consolidation. Natural gas trending. Sometimes one starts earlier than the other one, but this is what I'm expecting to also happen in crude oil. But again, right now we're looking at natural gas. Accumulation down here. Accumulation down here. Again, got it. Accumulation was here. Went to a retest. On a higher time frame, which you're seeing here, accumulation over here and buyers. So over here, just to show you crude oil for the month, new low, lower high. Yeah, this year, crude oil made a new low. On the scale of the bigger picture, I showed you we're in a demand zone. Natural gas for the year, new high for the month, trending up. On to the next category, metals. Gold, all-time new high, all-time new high. Gold is also used industrial, not just for jewelry. Huge demand for gold. Yeah, huge trading range of that candle. Silver made a new high for the year. So we took out the high of last year. Again, silver, big use for industrial. And new high. Platinum, inside candle for the month. Past few years, lower highs, as well as past few years, higher lows. is in a coil, getting tighter and tighter, tighter, smaller trading range, a coil. It's going to break out of the coil one way or the other. Copper broke the high of last year, new high this year. Copper, huge industrial usage. Your appliances, also for all these EV charges, for electric vehicle charges. Copper, yep, for your utility lines, such as your plumbing, electrical. Copper, huge demand. Population grows, using more copper. Bullish. Yep. On to the next category. Agricultural. We've got the grain products. There's many grain products. I'm not going to include coffee here. Include the main ones. Corn. Again, corn has many uses. Corn for human consumption, corn for animal feed, corn for ethanol. And again, the embedded cost in corn is fuel to transport it, fuel to process it. The corn you're using, what source, where is the energy source to process it, to deliver it? Is it using coal, natural gas, crude oil, hydro plant, solar? Again, commodities. They need energy to be transported and also for production. So corn. Again, this year, new low for the year. Lower high, lower low, and buyer stepping in there. Accumulation area in this area. So again, this was accumulation, natural retracement, staircase pattern higher high. Rough rice, new low for the year. Look, accumulation over here. Retesting it. I'm seeing accumulation. Wheat. Here's a high, 2022. Past few years, lower highs, lower lows, into a prior huge demand zone. Accumulation, demand zone, accumulation, demand zone. We made a new low for the year. Small trading range. In here, the accumulation. This was distribution, smart money selling. Distribution, smart money selling. And accumulation, accumulation. Soybean oil. Accumulation since last year. So here's the low of this year. Here's the high of this year. We're still inside the range of last year. Building a coil, tighter trading range. Soybean meal, inside candle for the month. Again, looks like accumulation range. Accumulation. This was distributions trend down. Consolidation, accumulation. And soybean. We're still inside this range here. Tight consolidation. Oops, let me update this. To the beginning of this year. There we go. Here's a high this year. Here's a low this year in this consolidation. What I'm seeing is, again, accumulation, smart money buying. We take it off to the next, which is the livestock. So if you're vegan, vegetarian, you might want to step away from this. Wink, wink. Live cattle, all-time new high for the year. Look at this. Here's the low, 2020. Here's the high, live cattle. Live cattle. Some people feed it soy. Some people feed it corn. Some people feed it grass, wheat. Because there's an embedded process to also process it and transport it. All-time new high. Huge demand for live cattle. Feeder cattle. All-time new high. Lean hog. Inside the range of this year. A lot of whipsaw here. Okay, take us to the final one. Like early access to my video, I post them first on my Patreon page. Memberships pay a fee, small donation, to get access to those videos. The link's below in the description, along with a lot of other great content. Thank you as always for spending just a little time with me. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching.